everybody, Mark Reactor here. Well, I'm gonna put this video in my Peek Inside My World folder. This is gonna be my first bicycle ride of 2018, and I'm here at the Kernsville Desilting Basin in Hamburg, Pennsylvania. It's a really nice area with a lot of trails and things, so I'm gonna try and get some nice video here and share it with y'all in case you're ever out this way. Feel free to check it out. Hope you enjoy the video. Well, I've only been riding for about 5 minutes now, and already my legs are burning. So I guess that just kind of shows how out of shape I really am. So hopefully the more I do this summer, the better in shape I will get. So here's hoping. Enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, well, I'm about a half hour into my ride. I needed to stop and take a little break because I'm old and out of shape. But at this part of the video, I want to put some footage in that I got of a little train station that's here to my left. I didn't realize this was back here, but some cool stuff over there. So I'm going to put some footage in of that as well. Enjoy. Bugs. Okay guys, well that's about it for this old man. I'm heading back to my car now after about an hour or so on the trail. I'm ready to get back to my car and chug some Gatorade. So just want to thank you guys for watching. And if you're going to be out biking or hiking this year in the summertime, out in the woods, on the trails, have fun, be safe, and thanks for watching. If you like the video, feel free to hit the like button and the subscribe button, and I'll talk to you later. Until next time, be blessed and be a blessing.